Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got some quick and easy last minute gift card packaging ideas that will really give it a personalized look. If you want to know how to do that, stick around. I'll show you how. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Okay, you're just going to start with any container that you have and put styrofoam in it, and then we're going to use some little bamboo skewers and we're just going to stick them into the styrofoam, and we're going to add a whole bunch of these to make it fill up like a bouquet. Now I'm just going to cut them off at different lengths, and I'm just going to attach my candy. I am using Kit Kat bars, and these are gingerbread flavored and they taste amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut them now. I'm going to cut several of them the same length, and then I'm going to cut a little bit of them different lengths so that they kind of do look more like a bouquet. And I'm going to fill mine up pretty full. Just keep adding all your candy to it, and then you can go ahead and arrange it when you get done. And I'm just going to add a handful of the brown shredded paper in there just to cover up that styrofoam. Okay, once you get it as full as you want, then we're going to go ahead and add our gift card. I'm just going to take some glue dots, and I'm just going to put them onto the back of the card on both sides, and I'm just going to attach them to those bamboo skewers to kind of make it look like a banner. And I'm going to stand that up into the back of my basket. Okay, then I'm going to fill it up a little bit fuller, and then I'm going to come back in here and I'm going to put some Hershey's Kisses down at the bottom. You can stop there, or I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to personalize it by taking some beads. I'm going to spell out the name of the person that's getting this. And these are just some beads that you can get with letters on them at Hobby Lobby, and you get like 500 of them in a bag. And I'm just going to wrap that around a piece of greenery, and I'm going to put that down into one of those little ornaments. Just tie it onto there. This just gives it a little bit more personalization. Just kind of line it up, make sure that the letters stay in there good. You can get this lined up pretty easy. If you had to put some tweezers down in there, it's easy. I'm adding little berries, put the lid on, and then I'm just going to attach it with some baker's twine. This one turned out really super cute. I was really happy with this one. This is a great gift idea. This one I'm just using a place card holder. I'm just going to attach my gift card right at the top of it. I'm going to put some paper inside. This is some tissue paper I'm putting right inside my little container. I got those at Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to fill it with some candy. Then I'm just going to put my card on top, put a couple candy canes in it, and then I'm just going to bag it up. This one was really a super easy one, but it really turns out cute. And you can use any place card holder for this. And I'm just going to tie it up with a little bow on the front part. And then I'm going to add a little snowflake. All right, and that's how that one turned out. That one was pretty quick and easy. This next one, I'm just going to use one of these little Lifesaver storybooks, and I'm just going to go ahead and attach my gift card on the inside using some glue dots. And then I'm just going to go ahead and bag it up. And I'm just going to tie off the top with a ribbon. And then I'm going to take a little fillable ornament, and I'm going to put some snow inside of it. And these are the ones that look like little Christmas bulbs. And I'm just going to kind of fill it halfway full. And then I'm going to put a little mini Christmas tree. I'm just going to push it on down inside of there. And you can get those bulbs at Hobby Lobby. They come in a pretty good size pack, and same with those little trees. Just kind of push it on down into the snow. And then we're just going to attach it to the front of the package with some baker's twine. This is a super quick and easy one. You could do several of these in no time flat. And look how cute that turned out. For this one, I'm just using one of the Dollar Tree snow globes. And then I'm going to take a piece of craft paper that's 2 inches wide, and I'm going to start accordion folding it 6 times. So you're going to have 6 folds. And this is what the card's going to set inside of.
just use a bone folder if you have one to kind of smooth it out a little bit. And then once you get to your 6th fold, you're going to go ahead and cut it off a 1/2 inch from that folded edge. And then that's how we're going to attach our card right there. And then I'm just going to take some glue dots to put on the front of it. And that's how I'm going to attach it. You can put some on the front and then some on the back, and you can kind of squeeze it in there. And then we're just going to go hot glue it right to the base. You kind of get as far back in the back as you can. And then I'm going to come in here and put a bunch of little Christmas trees in here. And I'm using 2 larger trees and then 1 smaller tree. And you can put whatever you have in here. Just, get a little Christmas scene to put in here. And then I'm going to take the bottom off the snow globe. I'm not going to reuse that. And I'm just going to go ahead and put some snow inside of here. And then I'm just going to screw my cap on. Just get it screwed on really well. And then you're going to just shake all that snow down to the bottom. Just make sure you have enough in there just to cover up the paper that we put in there to hold the card. And then I'm just going to tie a ribbon around the bottom and tie it in a bow. This is a great one for like a gift card exchange. If you go to a gift card exchange, it's just a creative way to dress it up a little bit. This one turned out super cute. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. Okay, on this next one, I'm just using one of the little toy soldiers from Dollar Tree, and I am just filling a jar full of candy, and I got the little Kit Kat bars, and they're the little gingerbread flavored, and I'm just kind of putting them in where you can see the face of the Kit Kat bar all the way around, and then I'll put some more in the middle, and it doesn't matter which way those are. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill the rest of it up with some little Hershey's Kisses, and then I'm just going to put my lid on it, and then I'm going to take a glue dot, and I am going to attach the gift card into the toy soldier's hands. They have a little slit on both sides of them, and you can just push into both of them and hold it in place. And then just add a little bit of glue dot just to hold it in so it doesn't slide down. Okay, next I'm just going to take a ribbon and tie it around the jar, tie it off in a bow. And then I'm just going to hot glue him right to the top. If you're shipping this to somebody, you probably want to make sure you put E6000 glue up there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and wrap some garland around just to kind of cover up the base part. And I'm just going to glue that in. And then I'm just going to bag this one. I'm just going to put it in a bag, and I'm just going to tie it off at the top with a little bit of baker's twine. All right, that was super simple, and it turned out really cute. For this next one, I'm just going to take a jar that's about the height of a gift card, and I'm going to put my gift card in an envelope and then fold the envelope over to match the size of the gift card. And then I'm just going to fill my jar full of Skittles. And then I'm just going to push my card all the way down so you can't see it. And then I'm just going to put my lid back on. And then I'm going to take a piece of white felt, and I'm just going to glue it to the top. And this is going to make it look like snow because I'm going to put some trees on top of here. And I'm just taking some little trees, and I'm just going to start putting them in here until I get it as full as I want. Now, I should have probably pushed those back just a little bit, the bigger one, and then I could have got the other ones in there a little bit easier. So if you do that, just kind of try to do that. And then I'm just going to take some burlap ribbon. I'm just going to wrap it right around the center of this jar. And I'm just going to glue that in. And then I'm just going to take some baker's twine, and I'm going to wrap that right around the center part of that burlap ribbon. And just kind of, don't go straight. Just kind of do it at angles. And then we're just going to tie it off in the front. And then I'm going to add this little gingerbread man to it. So I'm going to go ahead and clip that off flush, and then I'm just going to cut the little top part of his little ornament off of there, and then I'm just going to glue him on. Now, if you're using a rubber piece like this, you need to put some E6000 glue because he did fall off afterwards. So be sure you put a little E6000 glue if you have like a real slick rubber like that. And then I'm just going to bag this up, and I'm just going to tie a bow around the top part. This was pretty easy. And I'm just holding the top together with a little rubber band until I can get my ribbon put around it. I'm just tying it off with some baker's twine. This one was really quick and easy. Okay, for this next one, I'm just taking one of the little mittens that I got at Hobby Lobby. I'm just going to put a gift card down inside of it. Then I'm just going to take 2 candy canes and I'm just going to tie them around the front part. And I'm just going to tie it in a bow. This is another real quick and easy one. And then I'm just going to add a little piece of greenery right down into the center of it. And then I'm just going to tie this off in a bag. Okay, I'm just going to tie a rubber band around the very top part. And then I'm just going to add a little ribbon around the top. This one was quick and easy too. All of these are pretty quick and easy. If you like these kind of videos, hit like. If you want to see future videos, hit subscribe. And if you want to be notified when I have another video, hit the bell. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.